cornfield that I started transitioning in 2008 when my dad was diagnosed with mantle cell lymphoma. We've been building up the fertility in this field over time, really concentrating on calcium and gypsum, and probably have added in the last couple years close to 2 ton of calcium and about 1,000 pounds of gypsum. In addition to that, we put on 200 pounds the acre of humates last spring. And then of course we add those materials to the planter as well.
Yeah, on the planter, Mark runs a lipid program, and what we do is we run fish and SP1 in the furrow on the row, but then also run a 2x2 which we can use the sodium Chilean nitrate as well as more fish, K-sulfate, other nutrients such as that. We also in the in-furrow try to use a couple of organic insecticides. One is Mycotrol O, and another is Ecotech, and then also a little BioRepel, which is a garlic. And all that is just designed to protect that seed enough to get it going and get it started and not have any issues with seed corn maggot or grub or any of the worms kind of early on. Then later Mark will come back and side dress, which you already have here actually, and run additional sodium nitrate as well as the fish, SP1, trace minerals, all those things again. In addition, as the opportunity kind of arises, we like to see some foliars on the corn, possibly 2, one at kind of this stage or even younger before V5, and then also kind of about as large as what we can get through here with the spray rig, and do it again before tassel.
And this field was planted at 40,000 population. This is Prairie Hybrids 3081 and was tiny weeded once, and we still have populations in the 37,000-38,000 range.
Yeah, also the Scout took some nitrogen soil tests, and there's pre-side dress nitrate test levels here in the 35 parts per million, which we think is really excellent for this time of the year in an organic scenario when we have had all this rain and kind of conditions, cold soils, moisture, everything that's going to leach that nitrogen out. So the fact that we're keeping that in the 30s at this stage, you can see by the corn that it has a good color to it and it's very even. We're just really pleased with where it stands right now.